Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your JLab Go Air Earbuds and charging case carefully. Charge each earbud and the case for at least 30 minutes before resetting. Make sure the case has visible LED power and both buds sit correctly. Remove the JLab Go Air entry from your phone Bluetooth list now. This prevents immediate reconnection during reset and pairing confusion. Keep the charging case open and both earbuds inside throughout the entire reset procedure to ensure correct LED feedback and timing. Now perform the actual factory reset using the earbuds in their case. Keep both earbuds in the charging case and leave the lid open for visibility. Press and hold both touch controls on the earbuds simultaneously for 15 seconds without interruption. Watch for the LED indicators to flash red and white rapidly during those 15 seconds. After the LEDs blink, release both touch controls and allow the earbuds to power off briefly. The earbuds will complete the internal reset and clear previous pairings automatically. Finish by repairing and verifying proper function after the reset completes. Open the charging case and remove both earbuds to enter fresh pairing mode immediately. On your phone or computer, scan Bluetooth devices and select JLab Go Air from the list to pair both earbuds again. No PIN is required for standard pairing on most devices. Play audio and make a quick microphone test at 1 to 3 meters distance to confirm both audio and voice functions operate correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.